Are you tired of staring at a blank screen trying to write ads or sales pages that actually convert? What if you could just find a competitor's campaign that is already making money and legally clone it in 3 clicks? If you want to stop guessing and start launching proven funnels, pay close attention to this video. Welcome to App Verdict. Today we're reviewing CopyCat AI. My honest first impression, this tool is a massive time saver for anyone who hates copywriting or paying expensive freelancers. It takes the guesswork out of marketing because you are modeling campaigns that are already proven to work. However, even with perfect copy, you still need traffic to make money. That is why I have put together an exclusive traffic and agency bonus bundle for anyone who picks this up through my link below. I will show you exactly what is inside that bonus package in just a minute. So, what exactly is CopyCat AI? It's a cloud-based software that reverse engineers winning marketing campaigns. It's built for affiliate marketers, agency owners, and beginners who do not have a huge ad budget or copywriting experience. Usually, when you launch a product, you have to guess what hook to use, what headline to write, and how to price your offer. CopyCat AI solves that problem entirely. Instead of starting from a blank page, you just paste a link to a successful Facebook ad, a TikTok video, or a long-form sales page. The AI breaks down the exact psychology of why it works and then rebuilds a completely new, unique campaign around your specific product. Let me show you how it works on the inside. When you log into the dashboard, you'll see a very clean interface. There's no steep learning curve here. Step 1, you choose what you want to clone. You can pick an ad, a sales page, or an offer stack. Step 2, you paste the link of the winning campaign you want to model. You hit enter and the AI goes to work. It decodes the hook, the structure, and the emotional triggers. Step 3, you tell the AI a little bit about your product and click generate. Within 60 seconds, it spits out a brand new script or sales page tailored to your business. You can edit the text directly in the dashboard, generate different variations to split test, and export it as an HTML file or a simple document. It's literally that easy. One link in, one finished marketing asset out. Let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front end of CopyCat AI is just $17. This gives you access to the main cloning engine and includes a commercial license, which is huge. That means you can use this to sell copywriting services to other businesses. If you want to scale up, there are a few optional upgrades. OTO 1 is $46 and unlocks additional premium AI features. OTO 2 is $195, which is likely a done-for-you package. There are a few other upgrades in the funnel ranging from $64 up to $297 for full agency rights. You don't need the upgrades to make the front end work, but if you plan on using this heavily for clients, I highly recommend looking at the agency and unlimited options. Now, like I mentioned earlier, CopyCat AI gives you the perfect funnel, but you still need eyeballs on your offers. If you click the link in the description and buy CopyCat AI through my link today, you're getting my exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle completely free. Here are the 10 bonuses you'll get instant access to. First, Traffic Secrets Unleashed. This shows you how to get laser-targeted visitors to your new cloned pages for less than 5 cents a click. Second, Facebook Marketing Made Easy. Since you'll be cloning Facebook ads, this guide shows you how to run them safely and scale your profits. Third, Client Extractor. This software pulls local client data from Google Maps. You can find clients and then use CopyCat to sell them high-converting ads. Fourth, the 10K ClickFunnels case study. See a real $10,000 affiliate funnel in action, so you know exactly what to clone next. Fifth, Conversion Equalizer. This helps you fix hidden leaks in your paid traffic campaigns. Sixth, WP Sales Robot, a tool to instantly increase the checkout conversions on your WP websites. Seventh, Affiliate Marketing Thrive, a complete video course to help you stand out and maximize your affiliate commissions. Eighth, Promo Video Secrets. Learn how to turn your cloned scripts into high-quality promotional videos. Ninth, Lead Generation Authority Gold. Learn how to capture the traffic hitting your cloned pages and build a massive email list. And 10th, 60-Minute Profits, a fast-track guide to making your first online commissions using your new funnels. This entire stack is designed to get you traffic and clients. To wrap this up, my final verdict is that CopyCat AI is a must-have tool if you want to launch faster and stop wasting money on bad copy. But you need to act fast. Right now, they're running a special launch discount. Use the coupon code EARLY10 at checkout to get an extra 10% off that $17 tag price. Also, my exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle is strictly limited to the first 25 action takers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the delivery area. Click the first link in the description below to grab CopyCat AI and secure all 10 of my exclusive bonuses right now. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically on the receipt page after your purchase. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.